Do you love being outside? Are you looking to make that backyard of yours awesome? Let me ask you, have you ever dreamt of maybe a backyard kitchen? How about an outdoor fireplace to keep warm on those awesome nights? Or maybe even a custom deck that'll make everyone jealous. How about that sparkling swimming pool that your whole family can enjoy? And you know what they say about fences? Good fences make good neighbors. Here are 3 easy tips to getting that backyard of your dreams. Number 1, determine how much space you have to use. And then find out any neighborhood and community rules. What kind of HOA policies and guidelines do you need to stick within? And third, talk to a reputable outdoor construction expert who can help meet your budget needs. Whether it's fences, decks, pools, outdoor kitchens, or anything in between, we can turn your backyard into more. In fact, we can turn your backyard into your vacation destination. So contact us today and get a free quote. Find out how easy it is to get that backyard paradise you've always wanted. Contact the outdoor construction experts right now.